What if I told you one of these PCs runs Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K/120 FPS, for less than a PS6? Exploding head, today we're revealing 5 next-gen gaming beasts, including a $1,500 rig that outperforms $3,000 PCs. All links in description. Let's benchmark. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R16. The Alienware Aurora R16 earns its title as the best overall 4K gaming PC of 2025 thanks to its perfect blend of power, design, and user-friendly features. Equipped with an Intel Core i7-14700F processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, and a sleek Legend 3 design, this machine delivers exceptional performance without compromising on aesthetics. Number 2. Thermaltake LCGS Glacier 460. The Thermaltake LCGS Glacier 460 is a standout choice for gamers seeking exceptional value without compromising on performance. With its AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, and liquid cooling system, this gaming desktop delivers smooth 4K gameplay at an affordable price point. Number 3. Corsair Vengeance i7600. The Corsair Vengeance i7600 is a powerhouse designed for gamers and creators who demand the absolute best. Featuring a liquid-cooled Intel Core Ultra 7-265KF CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU, and 32GB of DDR5 memory, this premium gaming PC delivers unparalleled performance for 4K gaming, content creation, and more. Number 4. Panorama Gaming PC. The Panorama Gaming PC by Empowered PC is a beast of a machine, designed for gamers and creators who demand nothing less than perfection. With its Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, and an impressive 96GB of DDR5 RAM, this PC is built to handle the most demanding tasks with ease, from 4K gaming to professional content creation. Number 5. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR strikes the perfect balance between performance and affordability, making it one of the best mid-range gaming PCs for 2025. With its Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU, and 32GB DDR5 RAM, this machine delivers exceptional performance for 4K gaming, VR experiences, and multitasking. So, which of these 4K monsters are you building? Comment your dream specs below. If number 3 made your wallet cry, smash like, subscribe, and hit bell, because next week we're testing a secret GPU that's illegally powerful.